To change the currency on Expedia, start by visiting the website and logging into your profile or registering if you haven't already. Once logged in, you'll see various options at the top of the screen, including a language changer, lists, password, trips, and profile information. In the middle of the screen, there's a search bar where you can look for flights, hotels, or car rentals. To change the currency, enter your travel details and search for your desired options. Then click on the search button. Next, click on the currency symbol at the top of the page, which is usually located in the top right corner. From there, you can choose your preferred currency from the available options. If you want to save your preferred currency for future visits, select the "Remember this currency" option. This will update the prices to reflect your chosen currency. By following these steps, you can easily change the currency on Expedia and make your travel planning more convenient.